Are you overwhelmed by all the rules and paperwork to move to Finland as an entrepreneur? With so many requirements to meet and steps to figure out, it's definitely confusing. But it's quite simple once you know what to look out for. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways to move to Finland as an entrepreneur and the biggest mistake that can prevent or delay your business start for months. And to start, I'll show you the different routes to Finland for business and which works for you. And the main question is, are you an EU or EEA or a non-EU citizen? Because it will change the process completely. I will cover both, starting with the EU. And non-EU folks can use the timestamp in the description to jump to your section. So the first option is the EU registration route. So if you are an EU or EEA citizen, moving to Finland is usually simpler because you don't need a residence permit and you register your right of residence instead. And for business, you generally have 2 straightforward routes. First, you already have a business. You can register based on self-employment and bring proof the business can support you, such as contracts, invoices, bank and financial statement. And B, you plan to start the business in Finland. So if you haven't launched the business yet, you can register based on sufficient funds by showing you have enough savings and assets to cover your living costs, such as bank statements, asset documents. So one of my clients from the Netherlands did the option B. They sold their house and money from the sale proved enough for the whole family of 4 and they got registered without the business running yet. So yes, you can register first with funds and then start operating. But how do you apply for the EU registration? Well, the process basically is 3 simple steps. You first apply in the Enter Finland portal, then you book a Migri appointment in Finland, and if you meet the requirements, you'll often get the decision right at the appointment. And if you're moving to Finland to run your business, I can help you with the relocation and business setup process. Click the link in the description. EU folks can use the timestamp to jump to the next section. And next, let me show you how to move to Finland from outside the EU as an entrepreneur. So if you're moving as a non-EU or EEA citizen and you want to run a business in Finland, you need a residence permit. The good news is Finland has a specific residence permit for an entrepreneur. The key requirement is viability. You need to show the business is profitable to support you in Finland. And what you typically need, a clear business plan, what you're selling, who's buying, the prices, financials, forecast, budget, and cash flow, proof of you can support yourselves, savings plus realistic expected income, and proof of client contracts. And here's the simple breakdown of the application process. You apply for the permit on Enter Finland portal, then your business gets assessed by Economic Development Center specialist, ELY in short. And then Migri makes the final decision. So if ELY says no, then Migri will also say no too. But if approved, you can move to Finland and launch your business here. So how much do you need to earn to qualify? Well, there isn't a single number because it's assessed case by case, but we do have some official guidelines. On ELY's website, we can find an indicative level for entrepreneurs, about 15,000 euros per year in net income, meaning after taxes. And if you're moving with your family, the required amount increases with each family member. And it also depends on where you live in Finland. For example, in the Helsinki metropolitan area, 1 adult plus 1 child needs about 1,800 euros net per month. And in other large cities like Tampere, 2 adults plus 2 children needs about 2,600 euros net per month. And if you're moving to Finland to run your business, I can help with the relocation and business setup. Click the link in the description. And this next path can allow you to move to Finland as a business owner in just 14 days. And that is the Startup Entrepreneur Permit. This permit is not for freelancers or typical small businesses. It's for high growth up startups with an innovative, scalable idea and usually with an international market. So if you're running a pizzeria or consulting business, unfortunately you won't qualify. And you'll generally need an innovative, scalable startup with potential beyond Finland, at least 2 co-founders, and you're expected to work full-time on the startup in Finland, a business plan you can clearly defend and explain, and prove it's more than just an idea, an MVP, prototype, plus real market feedback. Enough funding to support your business and yourself, and a company that will be based in Finland. And the process is 2 steps. Apply for an eligibility statement from Business Finland. They evaluate the startup, and if approved, then use that statement to apply for Startup Entrepreneur Residence Permit via Migri. And you can get the permit decision in 14 days if done correctly. And once approved, you can move to Finland to launch or relocate your business. Next, let me show a hidden way to move to Finland for business. And here's something most people miss. You don't always need an entrepreneur residence permit to run a business in Finland as a non-EU citizen. According to Migri, if you hold a valid Finnish residence permit based on any grounds, you're allowed to engage in business activities in Finland as an entrepreneur or freelancer as long as you continue to meet the requirements of your current permit. So for example, if you move to Finland for studies, you can start a business as long as you meet the student permit requirements. So if you can qualify for any other permit, it allows you to start a business in Finland. Next, let me show you the big mistake that can delay your business setup for months and how to avoid it. So once your legal path is secure, it's tempting to jump right into the business. But most people get stuck on the same thing, banking and strong online authentication, which you need to sign contracts and use key online portals. Without these, starting and running your business will be difficult. And the mistake is trying to set up the company before you set up yourself. But how do you do that then? Well, you should do these 4 things as soon as possible after your arrival, then you can move on to the company. So priority checklist: get your Finnish personal identity code, henkilötunnus, register your municipality of residence, kotikunta, secure housing, open a bank account, and get the Finnish bank IDs for strong online identification. In Finland, your bank account isn't just for money. Your Finnish bank IDs are your digital key to sign contracts and access important online services. And I've helped more than 100 internationals to make the relocation smooth without delays and mistakes. Click the link in the description to learn more. So your company can face big delays if your personal relocation process is not done correctly. Watch this video next. It shows the step-by-step process for your personal relocation to get IDs, housing, banking, and everything you need to know.